our service delivery.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru hindi ya mucemanio wa Mucirithania na kathi Mucirithania munene Martha Koome ni ugite ciiko cia Ungumania itikuheo kanya ruhonge-ini rwa magoti guku bururi-ini. Koome ningi niarutite mukana kuri aria othe mekunyitikana magikuruhania na ciiko cia Ungumania gutacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho, akiuga ciiko ici ni icungireirie muingi wa bururi kwaga mwihoko na magoti.
We as judicial officers and judges find ourselves on trial under public examination for how we manage cases and serve the court users. And regrettably, for renewed allegations of corruption in some of our court stations. We, as judicial officers and judges, find ourselves on trial under public examination for how we manage cases and serve the court users.
Koome ni ugite ni akinyeirwo ni uhoro ati kuri na aruti a wira ruhonge-ini rwa magoti aria maretia muingi mbeca niguo kuhingirio mabataro mao, undu uria augite matikwirorera ukihanika.
We are pursuing a robust digital transformation agenda. We must continue leveraging on technology through mainstreaming the use of e-filing and virtual courts.
Na niguo kuhitana na ciiko ici kaimana, Koome ni anireire kumba kamiti iria igukuruhania maabitha kuma ruhonge-ini rwa EACC hamwe na anyiti itemi matiganite niguo kung'ethanira na ciiko ici magoti-ini mothe guothe bururi-ini.
These committees are designed as inclusive platforms for judicial officers, advocates, representatives of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and other stakeholders to raise concerns about integrity issues, if there is bribery going on, if there is facilitation fee being asked for.
Oho ni ugite ni mehotorete kugacirithia ruhonge ruru ari hamwe na kung'ethanira na mihinga iria koragwo igumiire magoti ma gutuithania macira manini gukwa kiuria Mucirithania kunina kaimana mutugo wa gutiragiria macira mahinda kwa mahinda, undu uria ucungagiriria gwikururia kwa macira undumwe na kwiyumbanirira kwa macira kihiri.
Frequent adjournments not only delay justice but also contribute to the growing public frustration and erodes confidence in our courts.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.